Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share this gorgeous glowy makeup look with you. I have created this warm tone eyes paired with glossy lips, perfect for the fall season, winter season. And the best part about this makeup is that I have only used Kiro Beauty's products to achieve this look. So as you know, Kiro is a complete clean Indian makeup brand and her products are high performance products infused with skincare ingredients, very safe to use on skin, completely toxin free, paraben free product, and all the products which I'm going to use are completely vegan and cruelty free, and you're going to enjoy it. So make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to use on my lips today to hydrate my lips is Kiro Beauty's pH Play Lip and Cheek Oil. This is the product that I have been using since last month, guys, and I can't stop using it. It is an amazing lip oil, and this is, I think, the lip oil which gives me the maximum tint on my lips. It's infused with avocado oil, moringa oil, very nourishing, hydrating lip oil, and once it comes in contact with the warmth of your lips, it's going to change its color and it's going to give you like a customized pink tint on your lips, which is quite long wearing. You can definitely check this one out. Now coming to the foundation, I'm going to use the Kiro Beauty Daily DV Serum Foundation, one of my most used foundations because it's a completely serum based foundation. It has got hyaluronic acid serum, it has got a vitamin C serum along with niacinamide serum, and it gives me a beautiful coverage which is perfect for using on an everyday basis. So I am using the shade 03 Almond Beige, which matches me pretty well. The consistency is very creamy, easy to apply on the skin, easy to blend out. You can simply use your fingertips to blend this out, but on an everyday basis I basically use my foundation blending brush to blend out this product, and you can see it has given me like a super hydrated, moisturized kind of look on my face, and at the same time has given me this medium coverage which looks so beautiful, evens out my skin tone, looks natural, at the same time very put together. So this is something that you can use for your everyday makeup look, and you're gonna get the maximum benefit because it's a completely serum based foundation, very pretty looking on the skin. Now I'm going to use two different lipsticks as my bronzer and my blush today. The first one that I'm using is the Kirobeauty Lush Moist Matte Lipstick in the shade Warm Nutmeg. It's a very warm brown color on the deeper side, and it's perfect for using as a bronzer or as your contour. So I'm using it basically on the outer perimeter of my face, as you can see, and blending out the same using a concealer brush, and you can see this product blends beautifully. So on the go, if you want to use something, you can definitely use your brown lipstick as your bronzer or contour. The formulation of this lipstick is amazing, guys. It is having like a super duper blendable formula which feels so nourishing on the lips. So I have used this particular one as my bronzer today. And I'm going to use my lipstick as my blush, for which I'm using the Kiro Beauty Lush Moist Matte Lipstick in the shade Hibiscus Petal. A beautiful reddish pink color, looks so bright on the lips, at the same time very wearable. So as you can see, I'm using this as my blush and it is blending effortlessly on my cheeks, guys. It is not disrupting my foundation and it is looking so beautiful. So definitely you can use your favorite lipstick as your blush, as I am doing today, and it has added that glowy dewiness on my skin which I want, because I just want my makeup to look really glowy, which is perfect for the winter months. So I've used these two lip colors. Now it's time to set my face, for which I'm using this Kiro Beauty Botanico Timeless Matte Compact in the shade Honey Tan. This is a very pretty warm compact, and the coverage that this particular compact gives is amazing, guys. So you can use it as your powder foundation on an everyday basis, even if you don't want to apply it on your concealer or your foundation. To set your foundation or concealer, simply you can use it on all over your face. It's not going to make your face look cakey because the formulation is really lightweight, and as you can see, with the help of a small powder brush, I'm basically applying it underneath the eyes, on the sides of my nose, around my mouth, on the areas where I want to just set my concealer and a little bit of my foundation, because that's the place where I get most of the oiliness on my skin, guys. So this compact is something that surely you can try out. Now I'm going to use a powder blush from Kiro Beauty. This is our Kiro Beauty Glow On Blush Duo in the variant Cool Cinnamon and Fresh Grapefruit. fruit. It has got 2 different blushes, and this particular blush is having a little bit of shine. So I'm basically using it on the uppers of my cheeks, where I've applied the lipstick as my cream blush. To set the cream blush, I'm using this particular one, and you can see it has added this beautiful fresh hint of coral shade on my cheeks. It's very pigmented, and the sheen of the blush actually makes it look so glowy. So if you're going to be a bride, if you want something glowy looking on your cheeks, this is something that you can definitely try out. Coming to the next one is the eyeshadow palette, guys. This is a newly launched Shadow Me eyeshadow palette from Kiro Beauty in the shade Break of Dawn, and this is such a versatile, like a neutral mauvey palette, perfect for the beginners. If you want something which you can use on an everyday basis, you can try out. And I'm really in love with the formulation of this particular one, guys. Each and every shade is so nicely pigmented, buttery texture. So I have taken this matte brown shade from the palette, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I'm basically applying it in my crease and also a little bit on all over my eyelid, a little bit on the outer corner of my eyes as well. So I'm basically using a brown shade as my transition color, just creating a base for my eye look. Now I'm going to use this beautiful warm peach shade from the palette, and you can see the pigmentation is really good. I'm using my fingertips for the application of the product, and it's not at all chalky. It's not that overly chunky or shimmery. It's beautiful, like a super nice satin sort of shimmery color, perfect for using on an everyday basis as well, because it looks stunning on the eyes. It's going to add just the perfect amount of glitter or shimmer on your eyes, which you can use. The formulation of this one is really good, guys. Now I'm going to use this pale champagne shade from the palette, which has got that hints of taupe tones going on. I'm going to use it on the inner corner of my eyes to highlight the inner corner, and the shades are blending effortlessly, guys. Each and every shade of this palette is so nicely pigmented, at the same time so blendable, and these are not feeling at all patchy or scratchy on the skin. The pigment is of amazing quality, like soft buttery pigment. So this is the palette that surely you can try out. So I have added the transition shade over my lower lash line, followed by this shimmery shade, which I have added basically on the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line, basically to match it with the kind of shade which I have created on my eyelid. Now I'm going to add a tinge of blue on my eyes, for which I'm using this Kiro Beauty High Definition Soothing Eye Pencil in the shade Sapphire Blue. Love the pigment of this product. You can see it's basically a deep, more towards a metallic blue, navy blue shade, which looks so stunning, and the pigmentation is amazing. And once it sets, guys, this is not going to budge. So as you can see, I'm tightlining my upper waterline and also applying it on my lower waterline, and it is adding that beautiful hint of blue on my eyes, which makes it look so peppy on the eyes, guys. You can use this one as your eyeliner, and it's going to look beautiful. This is my favorite, all-time favorite eyeliner from Kiro Beauty, guys. It is a waterproof soft pen eyeliner, which is having one of the best pigmentation, and it looks so beautiful, and it's perfect for creating the perfect, like the softest winged eyeliner, because the pigment of this one is really good. It's jet black, at the same time it has got that soft matte finish, not completely matte, and it looks beautiful on the eyes. The tip actually gives me the precision to draw the perfect, the crispy winged eyeliner that I want. So you can see the pigmentation of this eyeliner is really good. It is a sketch pen liner, so if you're a beginner, if you want to use something with which you can create like the thinnest winged eyeliner, at the same time the thickest winged eyeliner, do check out this one, guys. And it's quite long wearing. It's going to be there on your eyes for the longest time, and it looks stunning. So you can see this is how my eye makeup turned out after I have added my mascara, and I'm in complete love with the liner, with the kajal eyeshadow which I have used. Now I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter, because this glowy makeup needs a little bit of highlighter, for which I'm using her Prism Perfect highlighter, and mine is a broken one, as you guys know, because I love it. I have been using it since years, and I absolutely love this one. This particular shade, guys, is a perfect shade that goes so well on warm tone Indian skin tones, and I'm in love with the formulation. As I have already mentioned multiple times on my channel, guys, this is such a soft highlighter. It is not having any chunky glitter particles in it. It adds that beaming glow to your skin without adding that extra layer of like shimmers on your skin or chunky glitters on your skin. You can use it for any kind of special occasion. You can use it just for a subtle glowy makeup look as well, and I absolutely love it. So now I'm removing the lip oil from my lips, and you can see it has added this tint on my lips which looks so beautiful. I'm neutralizing my lips because I'm gonna add one of my favorite lip colors from Kiro Beauty, which is her lip lacquer in the shade Mahogany Blush. This shade is so beautiful, guys. It's that perfect warm rose color which has got brown undertone, and this lip lacquers are something which you guys need to check out. You're gonna love the formulation. Don't invest in like full-fledged high-end lip products, just invest in this one and you're gonna get that high-end effect. It's actually a hybrid between a liquid lipstick and a lip balm. You may call it like a moisturizing lip balm, and it looks stunning, guys. It gives me that glossy effect, very pigmented, very nourishing on the lips, and I'm complete love with it. So this is a makeup look which I have created using all Kiro Beauty's products. I'm going to put the links of all of these products down in the description box. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye, guys.